Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense. I would like to take this time and welcome you all to Trendlines Trader. This is the YouTube channel where we do our daily analysis, and yes, we go live on weekdays on each and every day. So, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let's start with DXY. We're just checking the dollar strength. How strong is the dollar? Remember, the strongest the dollar, the weakest the stocks and indices. So let's check our dollar index. We witnessing that the dollar managed to break our level, our resistance. As you can see, this is a very strong bullish, man, very strong bullish candlestick. I believe, or I hope, it will close just above this level, right here, so that will confirm that the resistance has been broken. I hope you understand that. So you can see our candlestick to close is left with just 1 hour 50 minutes for it to close, and if it closes above, I'm telling you, we are pushing, or the price will push towards the upside. That's the thing that I can look out for today. And let's not waste any time. Let's check on our our NASDAQ100. Remember that we are here to analyze NASDAQ and your US30. Okay, let me set properly. So, ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe on our channel, those who haven't subscribed, and please click the sharp button so that you like the video if you find this video informative for you. Ladies and gentlemen, those who haven't followed us on our Facebooks, followed us on our our Instagram, please find the link on the description down below. Do not hesitate to communicate with me. I'm available on Facebook. Find the Facebook page and follow, like our Facebook. Let's have a good community and enjoy trading. That's the rest of the things that the rest shall follow. If we enjoy the trading, if we have more time with the charts, if we spend more time on the charts, understanding the charts, gather more knowledge, everything shall follow. Lavish lifestyle, not after it at the moment. At the moment, we just have to compile more information. We just have to get our brains understanding the charts. Remember, your brain is a muscle. Remember, your brain is a muscle. You need to practice something daily. For you to get used to it, practice it daily. Without wasting any time, ladies and gentlemen, let's focus. Okay, I wasn't wasting your time. I was trying to motivate you guys. Let's look at our NASDAQ 100. We can tell that NASDAQ 100 is bearish, very bearish. As you can see, I didn't delete yesterday's analysis, and you can see our NASDAQ is very bearish. Another thing that I want you to witness is the support zone, and we have the resistance zone. The price managed to break our overall support. This clearly tells us that we are very bearish. We are pushing towards the downside. Let's go to the lower time frame and see. Let's check for hourly time frame and see how this broke our strongest support zone, overall support zone. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this price. The price has been presenting us with this pulsive move, and correctively now it seems like it's gonna continue with its pulsive moves towards the downside. I hope this makes sense to you. You can see that our strongest, or our support zone, was broken, and the price is still at the retest level before we push towards the downside. So we're gonna look for sales, since our price is still bearish. I hope it makes sense to you guys. I hope you can tell that our price is pushing towards the downside. Look at this. The price gave us this type of structure. We had the lower low, and it broke this level, gave us, this is the lower lows, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget, this tells you that when the price breaks this level, you look for sells, you don't look for buys. Look at this level was broken. I think I should zoom in so that you get to understand. Allow me to remove some of these. Okay, let me remove the dotted line. I want it to be as clean as possible. I want the chart to be as clean as possible. You can see that the price managed to break this level. As you can see, it pushed towards the downside, and now the price, after breaking the level, after breaking our level there, it came to retest and respected the level. It's our resistance now. Now the price is pushing towards the downside, so we just have to wait and witness if the price, it will manage to reach or to have any support from the left. We always have to we always have to refer from our left side so that we can be clear with the levels. If the price is reaching the level, we can say now the price is about to respect the level before we get to witness that corrective move. I guess this is our new inter channel or inter trade. I'll have to draw it so that we can get used to it. Let me clean the board so that we can see something. Wanted to remove the drawings so that you can always remember that we have this type of structures. This is still relevant, or the price still has to come and push towards the downside to break that level. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. I hope, if I have to cater a big, what do you mean, if I have to cater our important lines, no man, our peak points, okay, that took my mind somewhere else. You can see that the price managed to break out of this. This was our previous, actually this big, what do you call, overall support that we have. Then the price managed to break out of it. We still have this support, I mean resistance from there. As you can see, the price has been very bearish. This is our overall support, and the price has been pushing towards the downside. This is our daily lower low. Oh, look at this entities. This is our daily lower low. I hope that makes sense. And as you can see, the price is about to form new daily lower low. So since we are on the 4-hour time frame, we can look out for the price, we can look out for corrective move towards the downside, since our price is about to find or create a new lower low before it present the corrective move towards the upside. So I want you guys to notice that we have this new inter-channel. Actually, it's not new. With 2 points that we have here, clearly we can draw our what you call our trend lines. We just only need 2 points to draw the trend line, and this is more like a inter-channel. You can see it's more like a inter-channel. Can place it like this. I hope this makes sense. We broke out of the major roll support zone. As you can see, this was our support zone, and now the price is having, or the price presented this inter channel. Does this make sense? So what we have to look out for at the moment, I can say maybe during the opening session we could see our price pushing towards this let me remove this. We could see our price pushing towards this, or retesting our overall support zone, previous support, ne? And you can see this is the level, the horizontal level that we still have to retest after breaking out before the price push towards the downside. I hope it makes sense to you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, without wasting any time, let's go to our next instrument, which is your US30. Let's check on our next instrument, our US30. Yesterday I took a loss on US30. I was trading US30, but I didn't trade NASDAQ. I was focusing on US30. I look out for, okay, I was hoping for this breakout to push, but it was a fake breakout. Actually, on US30, I already drew this entire channel. I was waiting or looking for the breakout retest, as I thought just a minute when I thought it was a retesting. This is for hourly time frame, remember that. Let me do this, let me zoom in. As I was hoping for the retest, the price just shoots towards the downside with this rejection candlestick over there, you can see, and the price continued to practice. You know what is happening? If I take a loss, I'm not gonna try to chase the market. I'm just gonna switch everything off and leave it. I'll see it another day. That's how I practice my risk management. If I take a loss, I don't go back and try to trace the market. Try to chase after the market and say I want to replace or pay back or trade back or win back what I have lost. No, I just close everything and leave it, and I'll be like, tomorrow is another day, tomorrow is another day for trading. So yesterday, when I was expecting the price to push towards to break this level, but it didn't. It just went boom towards the downside. But anyway, that can be something that I can look out for. That is something that I will try to look out for next time. It was a lesson, let me put it like that. That was just a lesson. So ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to follow us on our social media handles. We have Instagram, follow us and follow us on Facebook and like Trendlines Trader Facebook page, and Instagram is Trendlines Trader underscore Trendlines underscore Trader. Yes, I hope I got it right. Hope I got it right this time. So you can see our price. This is for hourly time frame. Our price, even on US30, we have this overall support and overall resistance. So these are the inter channels that we were having previously. The price is being presenting this type of channels, and we pushed towards the downside as we are witnessing that our price is very much bearish. It's the same thing that is happening with NASDAQ100. This is a little bit boring because you trade, you do the analysis on NASDAQ100 and come to US30, you find the same thing, you find the same structure. It's kind of like boring. But anyway, the price managed to break this diagonal overall support, and now we can see it managed to close this. Let me zoom in so that you guys have a clear idea what is going on. This is our overall support zone. Our overall support zone. I hope it makes sense. The price managed to broke. We are still looking or waiting for the retest before we can say we are continuing with the bearish momentum. Look at this. The price, when after breaking this level, after breaking this level, we had the candlestick that closed below the level, and the next one closed below. Clearly says the price is very bearish. The price is pushing towards the downside, but I hope that we will have bullish candlestick for retest. Should it be bullish or both, or two candlestick for retest? But I'm hoping for the retest. I'm looking out for the retest, bullish candlesticks for retest, because we still have to retest this level, this previous support, because you can see this is where the price was, where the price managed to find the support, and pushed towards the upside, came back to retest, respected the level again, pushed towards the upside, and we were rejected. As we can see, the long week, we were rejected. The price managed to break the level, retested again, broke, pushed towards the downside. Now I hope we will have bullish candlesticks, maybe two candlesticks, before we push towards the downside, because this is a breakout. It's a breakout, ladies and gentlemen. We just have to remember that it's a breakout. That's what I'm hoping for the US30. If we get surprised, if it might surprise us, it's when it will push straight without the retest. That can happen. We don't make market. We are not the market movers. I'm just a trader. I'm just a retail trader. I'm not a market mover, so I cannot tell the market what to do. I'm trading what the market presents to me. You can see this new candlestick. It's still, I think, is the one that is gonna be that bullish candlestick that will retest before we witness the price pushing towards the downside. Or if it closes above, it can still close above our previous support, and boom, we can have something like this maybe next week. Remember that the price or the market can still fake the breakout. This thing, man, can make you go crazy sometimes, because you will think you got it, you will think you are more informed, you know what is happening, and what else? Boom, you get shocked. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to look at our news, fundamental news, just checking out for the future. So we can see around 2:30. Nah, man, what is happening? Sean Taylor, move. Sean Taylor is just popping up. And so we have news around 2:30 p.m. That's the South African time frame. We have initial jobless claims. We have PPI. It's for April. So this is our forecast, and we are looking or we are waiting to witness or to see the actual number there. With initial jobless claims, if our actual is positive, is if the price is above, not positive, actually negative, when the price is above the forecast, it will be taken as negative. where is that? I think this is yeah. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Initial jobless claims measures the number of individuals who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. This is the earliest US economic data, but the market impact varies from week to week. So this is every week to week news, every week news. A higher than expected reading should be taken as negative, so our dollar index will be bearish, while a lower than expected reading should be taken as positive. Remember, it's jobless claims. It measures the number of individuals who filed the unemployment insurance. Those are the 350s in South Africa. Okay, let's not focus on that. Ladies and gentlemen, I really appreciate your time. I want to say to you guys, let's do this again tomorrow. Oh, today we have live stream, so don't forget to tune in. I'll be waiting for you, or you will be waiting for me. I don't know, other way around, we will be waiting for Richard. So ladies and gentlemen, I really appreciate you guys. Keep on subscribing, those who haven't subscribed, and please like our video. That sharp button there, click it, and don't forget to tap on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload, or be notified for the future live streams. So ladies and gentlemen, I really want to say I thank you for your time. I really want to say I appreciate you guys. Please, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this again on the next one. I love you guys.